Hey guys, it's Delaney, and today I am going to be showing you my Valentine's Day eyeshadow look, so stay tuned. And also, if you look in my mouth during this video and you'll wonder what the heck is in it, I got Invisalign. And also, if you see a new background behind me, I moved into a new house. So you should expect a room tour coming once I get everything settled. And yeah, so let's go to this. So today I'm going to be using my ColourPop palette that I made myself on their website. All I did was I ordered these shadows and it came with one of these palettes, and it came like this, but I took out this part so that I had room for more shadows. So I think I'm going to go with a halo eye. Starting out in my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to be using a base color. I'm going to be using the shade White Peach up here, some on this random brush. Once I get a job, I'm going to get makeup brushes that are an actual brand. All I did was apply that to my crease, not my crease. All I did was apply that to my lid just for a starting out, just to start out. Now I'm going to be taking my ColourPop palette that I mentioned earlier. I'm gonna have to take these out to show you the name, but I'm going to be mixing this one and this one. The name for this one is Crisscross, and the name for this one is Stay Golden. I just dipped my fingernail in it. I actually had a video swatching all of these. I'll put the link in the description if you want to see how all of these are swatched. I also have the ones from the other palette that I showed you as an example. So if you want to see swatches of these, go in the description and click on the link that I am going to put down there. With my Real Techniques Defining Crease Brush, I'm going to be putting this. So I started to tell you what I was doing here, but I never finished. I don't know why. I think I just got distracted. But I'm going to be putting this in the inner and the outer corners of my eye, and then I'm just going to be connecting them in the middle. And I know that this looks really crappy right now, but I'm just really focusing on getting it in the view of the camera, and I'll fix it later. So these kids are riding bikes outside and they just crashed into each other. Okay, anyways. I'm gonna try to get as much in the inner corner of my eye as I can so that it doesn't look, patchy. No, so as you can see, I started out over here in the inner corner, and I applied some to the outer corner, and then I just connected them over the top. Take my Real Techniques crease prep brush, but I'm not using it as that. I'm going to be using it for this color right here. Come and Get It for the center. But before I do that, I want to prep the center, so I'm going to be taking my Master Conceal Maybelline concealer. You cannot see that. I'm going to be taking this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow brush. Also, you should comment down below with whether you like voiceovers or this better, because with voiceovers I can go more in depth because I have more time to think about what I'm saying. Okay, so I basically went over the place where I'm going to put my glitter. I'm going to be taking my Sonia Kashuk number 109 brush. It's just this little fluffy brush here. And I'm going to be taking the two colors that I mixed in the beginning and just bringing this up a little more. I'm just taking a little bit more glitter. I'm going to be taking this eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes. I'm going to be taking my Eyeliner Accents number 3 false eyelashes. Okay, now I'm going to be using my Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, I cannot stand this lighting right now, so just bear. It got darker outside. Sorry. I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to show you me putting my lashes on. I decided I'm going to be finishing my video in the bathroom because it has better lighting than my room now that it's dark. Okay, so I decided to go with no lipstick because my lips are actually a pretty nice color right now. It kind of matches my eyes. So here's my eyes. And here, I will show you my outfit in 1 second. So, my eyeshadow actually matched my outfit pretty well. I really like it. I have that natural highlight going on right there because I didn't put any highlighter on. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, give it the thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos by me, subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that you will be notified when I post. And oh my gosh, I'm loving this right now. Okay. Bye.